Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect a domain to Durable AI in 2026. So if you've built a website with Durable AI and want to use your own custom domain instead of a default website address, this guide will walk you through the process. First, sign in to your Durable AI account and open the website project you want to connect to a domain. Next, go to the website settings or domain management section. This is where you'll find the options for connecting and managing custom domains. After that, select the option to add or connect a domain. Enter the domain name you want to use and continue to the next step. Durable AI will usually provide DNS records that need to be added to your domain registrar. Yeah, these records tell your domain where to find your website. Finally, test your site on different devices and browsers to confirm that everything is working as expected, and that's it. That's how to connect a domain to Durable AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.